Assalamu alaikum dear students and those who are listening and watching this video. Today topic is Hajj of O level and IGCSE Islamiyat. There are two purposes of this video. First is to cover the topic of O level and IGCSE Islamiyat, and second is to provide the guideline and information to the pilgrims. The question that we are going to cover in this lecture is describe the rites that are performed from the 8th to 12th of Zulhaj during the annual pilgrimage. Before we start answer, let's understand some basic things that are important regarding Hajj. If the aspect of the question change as we see in other questions, then this will help us in answering these questions. There is great importance of Hajj in Islam because Hajj is the fifth pillar of Islam. It contains traveling for the purpose of visiting Kaaba to perform the manasik. It is a farz on every Muslim, male and female, who can afford to perform it at least one in his or her life. The Quran says, وَأَتِمُّ الْحَجَّ وَالْعُمْرَةَ لِلَّهِ, means and complete the Hajj and Umrah in the service of Allah. Dear students, there are a lot of ahadith on the virtues of Hajj. According to a hadith, if a person is careful in performing all the rites with utmost sincerity and care, all his sins are washed away. Next is preconditions for Hajj. The following precondition must be fulfilled by a person before Hajj become farz upon him. Must be a Muslim, must be an adult, must be in a sound state of mind, must have sufficient amount of money to meet all the expenses during the journey, must be physically fit to undertake the journey, and for a female it's compulsory to perform Hajj along her mahram. Next is price of Hajj, putting on Ihram, making the niyat of Hajj and reciting the talbiyah. Staying at the plain of Arafat on the 9th of Zilhaj and doing the Waquf Arafat with sincerity and devotion. Visiting the Kaaba for Tawaf al-Wida, that called Tawaf al-Ziyarah, on the 10th, 11th and 12th of Zilhaj after doing Halq or Qasr. Next is Wajibat of Hajj. If any of the following Wajib acts is left out, the Hajj does not become void, but the pilgrims will have to compensate by slaughtering an animal or by giving sadaqah. These acts are staying at Muzdalifah, sa'i between Safa and Marwa, stowing of the three Jamarat, and next is sacrifice, and last is halq, means shaving of head, or kas means clipping of hair. Next is miqat. Miqat is a specific place where a pilgrim intending to perform Hajj or Umrah must put on the Ihram and declare his intention to do so. Anyone intending to perform Hajj or Umrah must not pass beyond the miqat without the Ihram. There are 5 miqats. Every miqat is for different place. But Yalamlam is the miqat for the people of those eastern countries, including Pakistan. Next is Ihram. Ihram is a dress worn by the male with the intention to perform either Hajj or Umrah or both. During the pilgrimage, the males must wear the Ihram, which consists of 2 sheets of white unstitched cloths. But females do not have to wear any special Ihram. Next is forbidden things while wearing Ihram. When a pilgrim is in state of Ihram, he or she must be careful to avoid the following acts. Next, first is shaving or cutting of hair, trimming the nails, wearing perfume or applying perfume hair oil, wearing the stitched cloths, it for men, wearing socks, it for men, covering the head, it for men, wearing shoes over the ankles, it for men, swearing, quarreling, or using abusive language, it's for both marrying or having marital relations. Next is intention and talbiyah. After wearing ihram, it's obligatory upon the pilgrims to make the intention of Hajj loudly. Allahumma inni uridul hajja fayassirhu li wa taqabbalhu minni. O Allah, I intend to perform Hajj, so make it easy for me and accept it for me. And repeat the talbiyah thrice. Talbiyah is labbaika Allahumma labbaika labbaika la sharika laka labbaika innal hamda wan ni'mataka laka wal mulk la sharika laka. Next is tawaf. Tawaf is an anti-clockwise direction 7 times, starting and finishing at the Hajar Aswad. Next is say, then start the say